Alright, now this is Confederate Rebel 58 here, and I'm going to show something of mine, and here it is. Yes, it is an ordinary fishing multi-tool, but it's a butterfly multi-tool. Alright, what that means is you can basically flip it like a Balisong. I mean, all I did, this is a pretty cheap thing. I took WD-40, I put it in the hinges there. And there you go, it works like a charm. You can do a lot of moves. There's a lot of them you can't do. I mean, I had to tape all the actual tools in there. I had to tape it around there. Here we go. Well, so yeah, that's a great alternative if you can't buy a butterfly knife, if it's illegal in your area, your parents don't want you having one. Yeah, you can certainly learn on this. My old butterfly knife broke. It was a real one, but you know, cheap Chinese crap falls apart. Well, see you next time. More videos coming.